Hello everyone, welcome to Mandarin Fight. I'm your friend Umar bin Hussein. We are going to learn the new words of HSK 2 and we are going to practice reading and listening Chinese language through reading and listening one paragraph. In section 1, we have to learn the new words.
手表，手表，手表，
which means wristwatch. This can further be decomposed. The character on left side, shou, which means hand. The character on right side is biao, which means show or display. So wristwatch is the common device which has a displayer which shows something at your hand. Alright? This character of show is simply composed of basic strokes and it cannot be decomposed further to any other character. If you don't know about basic strokes and if you don't know about how these strokes are composed together to give us a new character, then please watch this video. Okay, this character can further be decomposed into other characters. The character at the top, this one. The character below it, this one. This one at the top and this one below it. So this character is tu, which means soil or earth. This character is e, which means cloth. So now you better understand this character biao, also the character
手表，
okay. Let's move towards next character.
千，千，
means thousand. It is very simple character. We can decompose it simply into the top one. This is basic stroke. This character is she, which means 10. So it is 10 and it is simple stroke pie. Got it?
送，送，送，
which means to deliver or gift. It is simple character. It is composed of two further characters. You know, the character below it is a radical for walking. This one. It is the bed for another character. The character in the left is this. It is radical for walking, while this one is guan, which means relation. So a gift is actually a walking relation. Okay, this character can further be decomposed if we want to. For example, the top of it and the character below it. Okay, you know, if you want, you can decompose this character as well. But it depends upon you. If you know this character very well and you are able to write this, then no issues. But if you don't, please continue decomposing it. Okay, so radical for walking and relation. So a walking relation, which is to deliver a gift.
报纸，报纸，
which means newspaper. The character on left side is pao, which means report or tell, while the character on right side is zhi, which means paper. So a paper which reports us many things and tells us many stories is actually a newspaper. Alright, this character can further be decomposed. On left side, then right top, and then this character. Okay, you got it? This is radical for hand. This is jie, which means seal, and it is yao, which means again. On left side, and this is over here and this is over here. Got it? The character chi can further be decomposed on left side, on right side. On left side, this one is radical for silk and it is she, which means clan or family. You got it? I hope so. So a report, paper, radical for hand, radical for silk.
一下，一下，
which means give it a go in a while. It is very simple character. On left side E, which means one, and on right side Xia, which means down, one down. Please wait for one down.
牛奶，牛奶，牛奶，
which means cow's milk. The character on left side is new, which means cow. On right side it is nai, which means breast or milk. So cow milk, very simple meaning. It is very simple character and it is composed of basic strokes, while this character nai can further be decomposed on left side, on right side. This one is radical for woman and this one is nai, which means then or really. Cow milk.
房间，房间，房间，
which means room. Let's simplify them. The left character is fang, which means house or room, while the character on right side is jian, which means between or to separate. It also has another meaning of midpoint that we have studied in our previous lesson in another character shijian, which means time. Anyway, this house or room can further be decomposed. The outer character, the inner character. The outer character is hu, which means door or family, while the inner character is fang, which means square or region. So both of these characters are combined together to give us fang. This character can also be made even simpler. The outer character, the inner character. Outer character is man, which means gate or door, while the inner character is r, which means day or sun. Okay, so family, region, and separate room. Okay, now let's review all of those characters that we have studied today. These are characters, these are opinions, and it is their meaning, but we have to focus only these characters. Hand, display. Show, biao, wrist, watch, right? 10, pie, qian, which means 1000. Radical for hand, seal, again, so it is report, and it is paper, so it is pouchy, report or newspaper. Radical for walking, and relation, walking relation is to gift or to deliver, song. Very simple, yi xia, in a while, new, nai, milk. Family, region, separate, separate room or separate house, fangjian, room. Okay, I hope you got all of these. Now we will start the second section of this lesson, the reading section. We have a paragraph over here, very short paragraph. You have to read this sentence, the whole sentence. It doesn't matter if you know all of these characters or not, just try to read as many as you can. Okay, I hope that you have read this one, but if you have not yet, then please pause the video and try to read this paragraph completely. Now it is the time to listen as well as to read with opinions.
这块手表是你的吗？这块手表是你的吗？
This, it is actually mere word. Wristwatch, we just have studied, is yours? Question mark. This wristwatch is yours? Is this watch yours?
不是我的，是我爸爸的。不是我的，是我爸爸的。
Not is mine. Not mine. Is my father's.
多少钱买的？多少钱买的？
How much money buy? Okay, how much money to buy? So how much it is?
3000多块。
3,000 more kwai. This kwai is same as this kwai, but over here it is being used in terms of yuan, which is the official currency of China. So 3,000 多块 means more than 3,000 yuan. Okay, that's all about our today's lesson, and I hope you liked it. If so, please press the like button and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you. See you in next class.